Oh, they do love giving kisses.
It's cute!
Especially when you're sweating a little bit.
It's cute!
It is very cute, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like right here. It's licking me. So
cute.
now I've got essence of lemur.
You do. It's always going to be there.
Mom, don't eat them.
So soft. All right, yogis, we're going to get to what's called our tree pose, okay? So we're going to balance on one leg, and it's going to be super fun. There you go, you're already on it. Awesome. So when you're ready, just take one foot and bring it to your leg. Doesn't matter which one. Doesn't matter where it goes. Nice. See if you can bring your hands to your chest. Awesome. And it's okay if we sway back and forth because the real trees do too. And see if you can start to reach those arms up towards the sky, growing your branches. Awesome. Nice job, yogis. Reach a little bit higher. You guys are doing so good.
Good boy.
And take a big, big breath. And a long breath out. Nice job. Bring your hands to touch and pull them back down. Awesome. Go ahead and rest both feet down. Give your body a little wiggle. Wiggle through the shoulders. Wiggle through the hips. Nice.
You took him from me.
So we're going to balance on the other leg. Are you ready? So whatever leg you did first, do the opposite one now. So lift the other leg up